Hey y'all, my name is Alicia if you're new here, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new. I'm so excited about today's video because I'm going to be reviewing the new Benefit brow pen. Several years ago they came out with their microfilling pen and I absolutely love the product, except after a few uses it was like the product was out, and I thought maybe that I had just got a bad batch, so I bought another one and the same thing happened, and I was so disappointed because I loved the idea of the product. It just wasn't really working out. I actually did a review on that one as well, so I'll link it down below in the description box if y'all want to check it out next for a comparison. And I may or may not still have that product that I should have thrown away because it's been a while since I bought it, number one, and number two, it quit working, so I don't know why I still have it other than I'm a hoarder. But it actually came in handy for this video because now I can show y'all and compare the two. I don't think that they have this one anymore. They maybe discontinued it. I could be wrong, but here is the new product and the new packaging, which I absolutely love, clearly because it's pink. And so the new one, they renamed it and everything, and it is the Mighty Fine brow pen. So I wanted to use this on camera for the first time so y'all could get my real live first impression, and I did. Except when I was editing, I saw that it was out of focus. So I'm having to refilm it. So I have already used it on my brows. So y'all aren't going to get my real life first impression, but you will still, y'all know that my face shows and tells everything, and I will still give y'all my honest opinion. So let me show y'all the original one. So you can see how the, I guess they're called bristles, are kind of rounded and connected. Here is the new one. The bristles are more pointy and separated. So let me show y'all together. So new one, old one. I will say, just by looking at them, I do like how the old one is slanted versus just straight across. So that's the only kind of downside. And I always say this in all of my review videos, I am pretty picky when I do these because I want to point out just every little thing, because I know different people look for different things, and I just like to be completely honest with y'all. But once again, I just like to be nitpicky in these, so it's not a big deal. I just personally do like how the old one is slanted. But so far, I will say the product has been a lot better. For the new one, let's read a little bit about it. It says it is 24-hour long wear, water resistant, smudge proof, and transfer proof. I got the shade 5, which is warm black brown, but it does seem a little bit more cool tone, which that is how I like my brows to be. I think, since I've already used it, I am going to go ahead and tell y'all this. I think I could have went a step down in the shade range, but it still works and I still really like the color. So let's see if I can do this in the viewfinder and let it stay in focus. So one other thing that I kind of wish it had was a spoolie on the other side. Now I know a lot of times you don't use a spoolie with a liquid, but I personally use a spoolie for everything. Now Benefit does sell a brow brush that's double-ended, that has a spoolie and then a brush on the other side. But I love things that are multi-purpose. So if they had And then I think their pencils do have a spoolie on the other side. So if this had a spoolie, it would be absolutely perfect. So I am going to use a spoolie that I already have. So I'm just combing them into place and then getting all of the foundation out. So you want to have a really light hand with anything, but especially liquids. So don't be intimidated. And what I do is I start not at the very front, just a little ways back, just to kind of get the feel for the product, and then that way you can see how much product goes on, and then that way it will be easier to blend in than right in the front. Now I'm gonna be paranoid, but there's a box around my face, so I think we're good. So I am gonna start back here and then just flick up, and you want to go the direction of your hair. So how your hair grows up and down at the front and then kind of starts going to the side. So there's two different ways you can do the top. You can mimic the hair strokes all the way across, or you can turn it sideways, which is what I like to do, and use the side to kind of outline. So same thing on this side, starting here, and just a very light hand. Flick it up in the front, and then you can turn it sideways in the middle in your arch, and then when it starts getting skinny, that's when I turn it to the side. So this is when I like a spoolie. Once it's dry, I will go back and just soften it up to make sure there are no harsh lines. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Overall, I absolutely love it, and I will definitely be using it. If you have been wanting to try it, I highly recommend, and don't be intimidated by it just because it's a liquid. Just have fun, play with it, and you will get the hang of it in no time. What I like to do sometimes if I have a new makeup product is I'll try it right before I get in the shower, because I'm about to wash my face anyway. So if you mess up, it's fine because you're about to wash it off. But just remember, start back here. That really helps me because your brows are thicker, usually further back. So it's easier to blend in to where it's thicker than right in the front. And just have a really light hand and you will be fine. But I will link it down below in the description box if y'all want to purchase it for yourself. Once again, I use the shade 5. I think I could go a little bit lighter. Probably gonna buy another, probably gonna keep this, but buy a lighter one. But yeah, absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss my videos. I have some fun ones planned that you don't want to miss. And I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.